You only build me up to let me down. If you miss me as much as I miss you, you wouldn't stay away half as much as you do. I know that
Raindrops on roses and whiskers of kittens, bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with string. These are a few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I